Riyadus Salihin. Chapter 338, Prohibition of placing the hands on the sides during as-salat. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "We are prohibited from placing the hand on the side during as-salat, the prayer." Reported in Sahih al-Bukhari and Muslim. Commentary: there are two sides of everyone, the left and the right. Since keeping hands on one of them is a sign of arrogance, this is prohibited in salat. At-Tabarani and al-Bayhaqi have reported a hadith in which Messenger of Allah peace be upon him said, "Placing the hands on the sides during salat, is an act of the dwellers of the fire." One can, however, do so only if there is such a pain that he is compelled to place the hands there.
يا حبيب سلام عليك